Hello, boys and girls. We are back again with the third Sudoku, and this one in this additional of today's newspaper on a Tuesday, December the 1st, beginning of the month 2020. Yes, in this additional, let me place this correctly. This additional, the third Sudoku I will solve is a binary, and this one will be number 1954. Before I start, I want to know what kind of binary is this one. We have here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 1's. All right, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double one, here an O, there an O. Double O, here one, there one. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here an O, there an O. Double O, here one, there one. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an, between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Then. Yeah. Double one, here no, there no. 1 2 3, and I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes there is always an O and an 1 here. I don't know in which order, but we have 1 2 3 ones, and this is number 4, so this should be an O. Now we have an, in the last row, 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Then 3 1's in this column. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed. One of the rules. So this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Alright. Then I think we need to compare something. Can we compare? That's the question. Yes, we can compare the first row and this row. 1 1 0 0, empty box 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1. So we need to switch these two digits. With a 1 here, this should be an O. With a O there, this should be a 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. Between 2 1's comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Then need to compare again. How about double one? We have a double one here. No. Between 2 1's comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Between 2 1's comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Between 2 1's comes an O. Now we have 4 O's in this column, so the rest are 1's. Alright. Do we have an O 1 1 here? No. 01, 01, 01, 01, 01. Yeah, this row, the third row, and the sixth row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. Let me compare. 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Empty box, empty box. So we need to switch those two digits. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. We have an O here. This should be a 1. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, and O there, and O. Alright. And do I need to compare again? Yes. But which one do I need to compare a row again? 011. Do we have an 011? The first row and the second row. 1100, empty box 00110011. So we need to switch those two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have a O there, this should be a 1. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, and O there, no. Finished in 6 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this one. 3 times comparing. So if you like this, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will continue in a few seconds with the last Sudoku. It will be a tectonic with 4 stars. Tectonic, aka Suguru. So see you later. Bye bye for now.